Picture this: Peter Norvig sits at his cluttered desk, eyes fixed on a glowing screen, piecing together a labyrinthine AI program in Common Lisp. The code branches like a tree: rules, heuristics, hierarchies, each line alive, making the program smarter by the second. But here's the catch: how do you build these sprawling AI systems without losing your mind or crashing your machine? Norvig's book holds the blueprint, but it starts with a simple, puzzling question: what really makes AI tick in code? Before AI dazzled us with chatbots and self-driving cars, you had to tame its language, Common Lisp. But why Lisp, and why does Norvig swear by it? Norvig doesn't just teach Lisp. He resurrects entire AI giants, from the SHRDLU natural language system to the famous Vision DMOS. You walk through actual code that talks, parses, and thinks. Step by step, you see how AI systems evolve, learning both Lisp's quirks and AI's quirks simultaneously. Think of Lisp as a shape-shifting toolset. It's like having a Swiss Army knife where every blade bends to your will. Macros let you redefine the language itself, creating shortcuts and abstractions like folding a sprawling map into a neat pocket guide. You don't just follow rules, you craft new ones on the fly. At first, AI code looks like an unsolvable jigsaw puzzle, but Lisp gradually transforms it into an elegant tapestry. The payoff? Software that's not just functional but flexible, maintainable, and efficient at scale, like turning a rattling old car into a sleek machine with a mechanic's finesse. You build a smart AI, then it crashes. Who can blame it? Any AI programmer learns debugging is its own dark art, more detective work than guesswork. Norvig tells of debugging a chess program stuck making the same dumb move. The culprit: a tiny heuristic buried in nested rules that misfired repeatedly. Like an old detective unraveling a web of clues, Norvig tracks down the logic, turning a maddening black box into a transparent, fixable engine. Picture stepping through your program line by line like peeling an onion. Lisp's built-in tracing tools let you pause, inspect, even jump into functions. This isn't hacking in the dark. It's guided exploration, revealing exactly why the AI made its choice, so you can rewrite the script before you lose hair over baffling bugs. AI's power is useless if it runs like molasses. Norvig's practical tips help you profile your code, identify bottlenecks, like the garbage collector stealing CPU cycles, and fine-tune algorithms. The surprise? Sometimes tweaking one small function can speed up the entire system fivefold. AI's not just about rules, it's about building worlds of objects that think and interact. Enter CLOS, Lisp's object system that shook up how AI programs evolve. Norvig takes you inside a complex AI project modeling a robot's knowledge base. Instead of chaotic data dumps, every concept is an object: robots, rooms, sensors, all with properties and behaviors neatly bundled. It's like turning a messy filing cabinet into a living museum where every exhibit talks back. Imagine inheritance like a family tree on steroids. CLOS allows a single object to inherit traits from multiple parents, like a robot that's both a scout and a repair bot. This layered complexity lets AI programs mimic the real world's tangled relationships, making them smarter and more adaptable. Dynamic dispatch is the magic that picks exactly which method to run based on context at runtime. Say you tell your robot to move, CLOS figures out if it's walking, flying, or rolling right then. This runtime choice power brings AI from static scripts to living, breathing programs that feel surprisingly intelligent. Remember that glowing screen from the start? By now, you've seen how Norvig's playbook turns fuzzy AI dreams into clean, running code, debugged, elegant, and alive. The next time you stare at a jumble of AI code, try this: rebuild a small classic program step by step, then debug it like a detective. You'll unlock Lisp's magic and see AI's true gears turning. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.